How to lock chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can lock chats on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to lock chats on WhatsApp, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and launch your WhatsApp Messenger app. Select a particular chat that you would like to lock. Tap the chat profile here, and then after that simply make sure to tap on this chat lock option. Tap on lock this chat with fingerprint. Tap on OK and just hit this little button here. Now you can see the chat will get locked. Now if I come to the home page, you'll find a new section from the very top known as locked chats. Now if it doesn't show up here, you can just try to refresh the WhatsApp application. You'll see locked chat. If you want to access those locked chats, you have to just make sure to unlock it, and only then you will be able to unlock those chats. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically access or maybe go ahead and then lock chats on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.